Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change the color of a brush you're using in the SKetchBook application. So if you see my other videos, I've explained that this application may look different because I am on a Mac laptop and you may be on an iPad using this SKetchBook app. So you won't have a mouse, you'll just be using your finger or a sketching stylus to sketch. Over here in our brush palette, I've chosen to use a marker for what I'm drawing. And I would like to change the color of my brush. So if you go up here and you click, you will get a color wheel, and this will allow you to change your color. So if I want a red or a yellow, whatever color it is you're looking for, this circle is just like a color wheel and you'll pick your color. Now, once I've chosen a color, maybe I want to change the value of the color. I want a darker red or I want a lighter red. And that's what this inner diamond is for. Okay, so I want a little more darker red, and then you can come over here. It'll show you the color you've created, and you can use that color for your sketch. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to change the color of a brush you're using in the SKetchBook application.